My name is Alexis. I'm 27 years old. I grew up in a rural area, and I have cystic fibrosis, diabetes, and chronic kidney disease. Cystic fibrosis is a lung disease, but it doesn't only affect the lungs, it affects your digestion, it affects your liver. Living in a small town brings some challenges with transportation because of 2 to 4 different appointments every month. My doctors are all the way out in Syracuse, so it's an hour away. That gets expensive if I have a lot of appointments because I have a cardiologist, a pulmonologist, a kidney doctor. It's stressful constantly having to align your appointments with your daily life. Jan changed things for me drastically. She was very personable. I liked her vibe.
My name's Jan. I'm a licensed clinical social worker, and I work at Fidelis Care as a senior care manager. I want to help people for a long period of time and be able to follow them through their whole journey. I found Alexis to be an amazing young woman. She needed somebody she could reach out to, somebody that she could feel comfortable with, expressing the frustrations and the feeling of being overwhelmed with her medical diagnoses.
I asked Jan what I needed to get done to do my own port flushes at home myself so that I didn't have to drive 40 minutes to get it done and then 40 minutes back home. And it's like a 5-minute thing.
The primary care doctor and her pulmonologist were actually very surprised that she wanted to do it at home and didn't think she was even capable of that. And she was able to prove that she could do an infusion and she was safe with it and she could maintain the cleanliness of the procedure. So they were more than happy to allow her to continue the process at home.
Jan being there to help me through the problems takes a load off. I am less alone, very confident, and I feel very supported.
Alexis is so full of life. I want her to be able to live every moment and experience everything a 27-year-old should be experiencing.
I have a lot of things I like to do. I like to write poetry, I like to write songs, I like to draw and paint. I also love cooking. I'm very upbeat because I got all that stuff that I discovered that I liked, that I was able to do now. So I appreciate life a lot more. The level of care that I receive is top tier, 100%. I would highly recommend Fidelis Care to anybody.